Dear students, this is Afsana Awal. Today I will take your English class, and students, just look, our today's topic is Lexis Smart Grammar Book Lesson 16 and 20 reading done. So let's start our class, students. Look at the board. This is lesson 16. Writing skill, read and sequence by time. When I get ready for bed, the first thing I do is brush my teeth. Then I go to the bathroom. Next, I put on my pajamas. After that, I read books with my dad. Then I lie down in my bed to go to sleep. So this is a story, very short story or passage, and there is a worksheet. From this passage, now put the items below in order by numbering them 1 to 5. Students, just look here. At first, the first thing is brushing the teeth, then going to the bathroom, then putting on pajamas, then reading books with dad, and then lying down in the bed to go to sleep. So the first thing is read books with dad. So this number is 4. This is 4 numbers work that he did. Put on pajamas, this is 3. Brush teeth, number 1. Lie down in bed, 5. Go to bathroom, 2. So you can do the thing also in this way, that the first thing is I do brush in my teeth. So brush teeth, this is number 1. Then I go to the bathroom, this is the second work, so right here 2. Next, I put on my pajamas, this is number 3. After that, I read books with my dad, this is number 4. And then I lie down in my bed to go to sleep, this is number 5. Now we have to go to lesson 20. Students, just a minute, this is lesson 20. Writing skill. Timmy, our pet dog. Complete the sentences about Timmy. Choose words from the box. Timmy is the name of this dog. Just look here, there are some clues here: pet, bones, love, curse, brown, faithful. These are some clues. And answer the question about the story. Number 1, Timmy is our pet dog. We have to collect pet from here. Timmy is our pet dog. We love Timmy. Number 3, he likes to eat bones. Number 4, he is brown in color. Number 5, he guards our house. Number 6, he is our faithful friend. So this is lesson 20. So today we have learned, students, lesson 16 and lesson 20. And that's all for today. Students, take care, stay safe, Allah Hafiz.